Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Welcome to another week here in drone industry land, but it's not just another week, it's the last week of the year. Now this is our 7th year in the drone industry, and as each year passes, I continue to be amazed and inspired by the pace of this dynamic and evolving industry. 2021 was quite the year for drone pilots. We saw new regulations from the FAA about flying a drone at night and over people. We saw a bit of a teaser when it comes to remote identification with different categories of drone operations. The FAA also launched the recreational UAS safety test this past summer, also known as TRUST, and we issued over 36,000 certificates so far to new recreational drone pilots just this year. We also had our 50,000th student pass their FAA Part 107 exam to become a certified drone pilot. We saw a return to in-person conferences and other drone industry events. Needless to say, I am as bullish about the use of small unmanned aerial systems as I ever have been, and I'm already getting antsy about plans for next year. But before we fly into 2022, I wanted to use this week's update video to cover some of our favorite stories about drones being used for good, our favorite FPV cinewhoop videos, and the biggest product launches of the year. All right, let's get started. This year, we saw a big uptick in drones being used for good, with new applications and inspiring stories pouring in from all over the world. In Panama, drone mapping helped indigenous people make plans for how to deal with the housing crisis. In New Zealand, drones were a key tool for helping to save an endangered dolphin population. And in the US, drones helped bring the internet to students in rural Wisconsin. They were used as lifeguards in California, and they helped protect the endangered golden eagle in Utah. You can check out more of our other favorite drones for good stories from this past year in the link below. Next up, drone footage has been spotted in all kinds of videos this past year, and the video you're seeing now is what some would say started the cinewhoop craze. Since Jay Christensen, the video's creator, shared this video back in March, it's racked up several million views, drawn the attention of Hollywood directors and other bigwigs, and even garnered press coverage from places like the New York Times. The piloting skills here are top-notch, but so is the production itself, with careful planning put into timing things and getting the audio and the choreography just right. And this is just one of the impressive cinewhoop videos featured in our best of list. Check out the link below to see the other 10. Okay, lastly, it's no exaggeration to say that 2021 was one of the biggest years ever for drone product launches. We saw several major product releases this year, including DJI's Mavic 3, Sony's AirPeak S1, Parrot's Anafi AI, and a whole lot more. And I think we can expect another big year in product launches in 2022. All right, folks, that's all we have for this week. This year. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest drone news, and remember to check out the links below to read more. I hope you all have a safe and happy new year. Thanks for watching, and to all of you drone pilots out there, wishing you lots of flight time in 2022, blue skies and safe flying. We'll see you next year.